Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is a pretty special one. For those of you that are active on Facebook, you guys may have heard of a group called LIC EDC. It is run by Jamie Acker. He designs spinners. Yeah, and then he designed this one spinner called the Edamame. And yeah, there have been plenty of videos and pictures posted on there. As you guys know, the tungsten, stainless steel, and copper was released for the full-size Edamame. And yeah, and now titanium came out, and I was finally able to get my hands on one. Thank you, Jamie, for selling me this. And yeah, if you want to check out more of the group, I'll leave a link down below. Sorry. And yeah, you guys can check it out. They're doing the draw for the titanium this afternoon, actually. I think it may have already happened. I might have missed it, but yeah. And yeah, this is on titanium. Really excited. He also said that he would include some buttons for me, so I'm going to be trying those on the Edamame, plus all the other spinners I have. Oh, yeah, I'll also be testing out other spinner buttons on this thing. So yeah, really excited about that. And yeah, let's get right into it. I'm going to try to not show my address. I think I might do it off camera. Yeah, one sec, guys. There we go. I'll fix that later. Edamame TI number 3, 9/11/23. Pretty cool. Alright, so this is what we are here for. Alright, I'm gonna put the box to the side. That's trash. All right, here we go. I'm gonna open up the buttons first. Yeah. He said these are really deep dish, which I like. Let's see. Oh, wow, yeah. I love the feel of these. It's got some brass inserts in there. Perfect. I'm gonna be trying these buttons on a lot of different spinners I got. But yeah, finally we can get into the Edamame. All right, here we go. I got the brushed version. For titanium, this is a really heavy. Oh my god. All right, wow. Look at this thing. It's beautiful. All right, first let me go ahead and get the scale and get the weight for you guys before the first spin. $63.31. Wow. All right, here we go. First spin. Wow. This spinner is insane. I need this thing in tungsten badly. Let me try these buttons on it now. Golly, I just love this thing already. I can see why everybody's so crazy about this thing. There we go. Oh my god, these buttons are amazing. So comfortable. This thing is a home run, Jamie. You did a good job. Great job, actually. Just wow. Especially these buttons, man. They're amazing. Thank you for including these. I give these buttons a 10 out of 10. I love them. So now, I'm gonna put these back on here. I need this thing in tungsten. So Jamie, from now on, every couple of days you'll get a message from me bugging you to make more tungsten versions of these. And yeah. All right, now let me try this thing with some other buttons I got. Let me try with the NJT buttons. Amazing. Let me try with some of these thicker buttons. Look how thick these are. All right. Wow. These are great as well on this thing. Super, super nice. All right, now I've got some other buttons I wanna try. Actually, let me try my... No, they won't work on that one. They're not like tall enough. There we go. It matches it too. Pretty nice. Oh, yeah, this thing's amazing. Freaking amazing. All right, let me put these buttons back on this. Put that away. I'm gonna try. I want to try these buttons on the cinema thing. Oh yeah. Such a good combo. Like these buttons are like, oh, they're so perfect. They just like, it just sits so well. I don't know if you guys can see that. It sits so well. All right, now I want to try it on the, what's it called? The triathlon thing. It's actually got buttons from Gavin from Dynamic Inertia. Pretty comfortable buttons too. That's amazing. I think he will be selling these buttons, so definitely do hit up Jamie, and I think he will sell you some. But these buttons are just gold. I love deep dish, and this is like nice, round, and deep. So yeah. Alright, now let's move on from the buttons and back to the spinner. That's back on. There we go. Now, I want to spin this thing some more. I mean, it's so good. I need this thing in tungsten, man. I just need it. Jamie, if you're watching this, I know you're watching this. Give me a tungsten, man. Come on, please. Alright, now what I want to do is I want to try some Motorswork buttons on this thing. So first, we're going to try the titanium buttons from the titanium mini tri-ergo, I should say. Alright. Here we go. I mean, look at that. They fit so well. Amazing. Now let me try these buttons and this one. Looks crazy, but also amazing. Wow. Jamie, you did an amazing job. Now let's take off the titanium buttons. Put it back in the bag. And then back in the box. And then let's try the magnesium buttons from the magnesium mini ergo I got. Jamie, maybe try making some in magnesium. That would be cool. That would be just insane. So this thing is like 18 grams. It's super light. I'll show it to you guys. $18.5. Extremely light. But sounds insane. So yeah, let me try these buttons on this edamame. Look at that. It's got like patina on it, so it kind of matches the brushed finish. Nice. Of course, we gotta try these titanium buttons and the magnesium a year ago. Nice. Yeah, I think just this looks amazing. Like the buttons fit the edamame really well. The Motorworks buttons. So yeah. There's a couple more buttons I want to test with this thing. One of which is, you guys may know from a previous video, are some Motorworks tungsten buttons. So the buttons are heavier than the spinner and buttons combined, 63. And then this thing is just 76. So yeah, let's try it. That sounds nice. I think these buttons will live on this thing. Maybe, I don't know. Sounds super cool though. That's nice. All right, now there is one more pair of buttons that I want to test with this thing, but they're not on my table. I'm gonna have to pause the video and go get them, but you'll see in a second what they are. Let me put these back. All right, be right back. Give me 1 sec. Actually, guys, I lied. There's two more buttons I want to try. First one, we'll start off with this. It's another mini tri-ergo, but this is a very, very rare one. This is the zirconium mini tri-ergo. Only 11 of these made. So yeah, I want to try these deep dish buttons. Wow, it already looks amazing. Look at that. Yeah, they are amazing on this thing. Let me try these now on the zirconium. Amazing. So good. So yeah, I'm gonna put this back. Then I got one more pair of buttons I want to try, and then I think that's where I'll call the video. And they are some Makume mini ergo buttons. All right, That does look good. Not gonna lie. It's an amazing spinner, man. Recommend it. Gonna put this away. All right. Let me put these back on. The original buttons. I mean, man, this is an amazing spinner. So heavy for titanium, man. There's a lot of meat. Like the tungsten one, I heard is like close to 300, I think. Maybe even more than 300 grams. God, these buttons are just home run. I love them. Jamie, again, did an amazing job on the buttons, spinner. Cannot wait to see what you make next. I am in, and I'm also in for tungsten, so hit me up. Almost dropped that. No balance issues. Perfect. All right, that'll be all for this video. I think it's long enough. But yeah, 10 out of 10 spinner for me. Definitely a keeper. Not letting it go. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Again, make sure to check out Jamie's Facebook page, LIC EDC, down below. And again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're not. Subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, and also check out our channel sponsors down below. I will also leave them in the pinned comment as well. And yeah, use my code Fidgets to get 10% off your entire order. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.